So a couple of weeks ago when we jacked up the car, we noticed there's a massive hole here. So we think someone drove over a rock and, well, it just bounced up and smashed it. So today we're going to be using some fiberglass to fix that. Never tried it before, but we'll see how it goes. So firstly we're going to sand the area around it down to help this fiberglass stick. Good. So now we're going to rub it down with a bit of alcohol just to dust it off. This is the fiberglass. We're going to fit it around here. So we just cut it on that crease. Okay. We're going to mix up 30 milliliters of resin and 3 pea-sized drops of hardener. Now 3 pea-sized drops of hardener. About a pea. Oh, it's pink. Oh. Like that. You've got to mix till there's no streaks. Put a layer of resin on before we put the fiberglass on. My art teacher would be proud. Now I'm going to put the fiberglass on. Now we're going to completely cover the mat in resin. You've only got 5 minutes, so you have to be pretty quick. That's one side done. Now do the other side. The instruction manual says wait 20 minutes, so in 20 minutes we'll show you the result and give it a paint. So it's been about an hour, so you can tap it, it's all good, so it's fixed. But now we're just going to sand it and then we're going to paint it black. So now it's all cleaned up, we're going to spray paint it black. So we're done, never done fiberglass before, and I think it turned out great. And yes, smiley face. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates.